Who is liable for a multi-car crash in Colorado? Car accidents in Colorado don't always involve just two vehicles. Often, 3 or more cars are entangled in these incidents, commonly known as multi-car or chain reaction accidents. Navigating insurance claims for such accidents can be a labyrinth, as determining fault becomes a complex task and insurance companies frequently disavow responsibility. If you find yourself involved in an accident with 3 or more vehicles, it's imperative to seek the guidance of an auto accident attorney for proficient claims assistance. Colorado's fault determination laws. In Colorado, the allocation of liability, or financial responsibility, after a car accident is governed by the state's fault-based insurance law. This mandates all drivers to carry bodily injury and property damage liability insurance. Following an accident, the driver primarily responsible for causing the crash will utilize this liability coverage to compensate for the damages. Often, an in-depth investigation is required to ascertain fault in the incident. This process typically involves gathering eyewitness accounts, obtaining the police report, conducting crash reconstruction, and examining photographic evidence. Determining liability in a multi-vehicle collision requires a meticulous approach. Unlike single-vehicle accidents or traditional two-vehicle collisions, these cases involve a web of interactions between multiple drivers. Each driver's actions, reactions, and contributions to the accident must be thoroughly examined. This often necessitates the expertise of accident reconstruction specialists and legal professionals who are well-versed in Colorado's intricate fault laws. Deciphering liability in multi-vehicle collisions. Determining liability in a multi-car accident poses a greater challenge compared to a conventional two-vehicle crash. Instead of just 2 drivers potentially at fault, insurance companies and investigators grapple with 3, 4, 5, or even more drivers. Many of these accidents involve a series of collisions, necessitating the identification of the initial collision that triggered a chain reaction involving numerous other vehicles. In complex cases involving multiple vehicles, factors such as road conditions, weather, and traffic signals also play a significant role in determining liability. Establishing a clear chain of events and understanding the physics of the collision sequence is imperative. This often requires the expertise of accident reconstruction specialists who employ advanced tools and simulations to recreate the accident scenario. Additionally, legal professionals proficient in Colorado's fault laws are instrumental in piecing together the intricate puzzle of liability. Safeguarding your interests in the recovery process. In the event that you sustain injuries in an accident involving 3 or more vehicles in Colorado, swift action is imperative to safeguard your rights. Immediately report the crash by dialing 911. As per Colorado law, a police report is mandatory for accidents causing injuries or property damage. Cooperate with law enforcement during the investigation, but refrain from admitting fault or discussing your injuries. Thorough documentation. The more information and evidence you gather about the accident, the stronger your position. Take photographs at the scene and make a note of your police report number. Collect eyewitnesses' contact details and record your account of events promptly. Exercise caution with insurance companies. Car insurance companies may exhibit reluctance in settling multi-car accident claims. They might prolong the claims process or deny liability. Instead of relying solely on an insurance company, avoid providing a recorded statement and refrain from signing a release of liability waiver until you've consulted with a personal injury attorney. Hiring an attorney skilled in multi-car accident cases is often pivotal. They bring a wealth of experience in navigating the intricacies of liability determination and negotiating with insurance companies. Moreover, they play a crucial role in ensuring you receive the maximum compensation for your losses, both current and future, from all responsible parties. Remember, even if you're found partially at fault, Colorado's modified comparative negligence law may still entitle you to some form of compensation, albeit proportionally reduced based on your percentage of fault. Contact our experienced car accident lawyers for help. Collisions involving multiple cars are among the most complicated accident claims and among the claims insurance companies fight the hardest. You need an experienced Denver car accident attorney on your side to advocate for your interests in these complex personal injury claims. The auto accident lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys are experienced and compassionate advocates for accident victims. Contact our Denver, Colorado law firm for your free consultation with one of our lawyers.